Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing like a organization tips for my room, and it's pretty messy right now. I usually get it really messy and then it's getting out of control, so I'm just doing it before it gets like that. I usually procrastinate about cleaning my room, and it's actually kind of fun because you get a clean room and it's all like, you get it kind of like, it looks like pretty and everything. So, and also later on I'll be doing like room DIYs, so that'll be the next video, but maybe. I'm just show you like a fast cleaning of my room, and then at the end you'll see some organization tips and what I actually did, so then you can learn. And cleaning a room is really good life skill for sure. You need to learn that. Yeah. So it's just really good to learn some organization tips. So subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next clip. Bye. So this is the room. I literally can't even open the door. There's like a pillow there. But this is the room. I have a desk there. I don't really put anything in it. Well, there's like little drawers, but I put like little important papers and stuff. But this is the room, as you can see, and very my room is done, and I'm now going to show you what I have done to the room. It's not like a deep clean, but it's like cleaning your room. It's not really like you're reorganizing and remaking your room. It's just really cleaning your room. I'm just opening it. I have a really good view, see? But yeah. So now I'm gonna show you what I did. So here, this is way better, right? I made a piles of everything, like clothing, a pile of clothing. Then I had a pile of like going out of the room like pile, and then I had a garbage pile, and then I had like like little miscellaneous things that go together. So like books or something. So this is going out of the room pile, like dishes and stuff and cloths. So now you walk over here. This is my desk, and I just have my computer, my cord, and like a jewelry box, which I put some jewelry in. Then I have a little container of stuff, a magazine maybe. This is just some like little shelves, like little drawers of like sorted things. And then I have like under there just a pot, like a bin of like art books and stuff. And that's like a bit of like special things. And then you go over here, and this is my nightstand, so there's just a little bit of things I need and stuff there. Got my lanterns. I made my bed. But yeah, it's really empty right now. It looks like. So my closet's really full. So I have like dresses and sweaters hanged up. I don't have all the sweaters hanged up, but yeah. I also have like tank tops. So I have shelves for my clothes. So I have tank tops and shorts here, folded. Doesn't really look like it's folded, but it kind of got wrecked. And some shirts. Most of my clothing I made of a dirty pile. When I sorted my clothes, I folded them all, and I put the ones that were dirty in one pile, not folded. So then I would have the dirty laundry, so you would just say, oh, this is dirty, now throw it in that pile. So that's what I did when I folded the clothes. And then I just sorted what they were. So I just sorted shirts, shorts, like whatever you have. This is jeans. That's like sweatpants and leggings, which all my stuff is in the dirty laundry. This is sweaters right now, and then those are pajamas and stuffies. This is underwear and bathing suit and socks. And then this is like bags, and that's like a doll clothing that I had when I was little. That's a bin. This is like all my dirty laundry, which I'm gonna do a load tonight. And then I have like a coat back there, and then I have some art supplies up there. So really simple, guys. If you have a worse room, just start, oh, there's a shirt hanging. Just start by sorting everything into piles of what you wanna have. So like I had, like the way my dresser thing was sorted, I just sorted the clothes like that. So it's really easy once you get down to it. It can get done. Don't worry if you have a messier room than mine. It'll get done. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video. Hope it was helpful a little bit. So thanks for watching. Bye.